Mino from RPS school. Open this book beta, language picture dictionary. Open this theme 5 and open this page, letter O. Speak with me everyone. O. Which letter is this? O. O, oil. O, oil. Look this picture beta. O, oil. O, owl. O, owl. O, on. O, on. O, orange. O, orange. O, octopus. O, octopus. Speak with me again. Oil, owl, on, orange, octopus. Learn it very carefully. Okay beta.